Click recording again.
Yes, sir. New recording has started.
Okay. Students, whatever I have shown you, this is one time you have to do in your laptop or desktop. Don't do it every day. Okay. It's like setup of the software only. Real experiment, now I will explain you. Clear? I am not able to see recording. Is it?
Sir, recording is on. Actually, we
On
are
now?
using third-party software since we do not have the
Okay,
privilege
okay,
to
okay, okay,
record this Google. Yeah.
okay, okay, okay. Then okay, continue. Let's continue. Now I will show you writing experiment. I will use some command bi filename.tcl ns filename.tcl. Okay. I have some experiment for you. You can download this experiment from where you will experiment. Try to download. After opening my website, go to teaching network laboratory. There you will get many experiment. Okay. Like first one, write a TCL script to create network topology with two nodes and create duplex link between the nodes with speed 1 MB and time 10 milliseconds. Okay. What is the aim? Just 1 minute. Okay. Uh, I will make you available these codes due to some maybe some error. These codes are not available here. But I have the video. There is a video how to create. Not this one. This is like advertisement. Just wait for my video. Okay. I'm trying to say that I have a ready-made video for you how to create a node and link using network simulator 2. Okay. So I will make available the code and output, and there is a video available for you. Okay. Just 1 minute. Let's consider uh, we want to create node 0 and node 1 and a link between them. Means in computer network, if you have desktop, laptop, mobile, or anything, router, those are represented using a circle like 0 here. So whenever you want to transmit data from 0 to 1, you have to uh, write some codes to see this kind of output. Okay. Just wait. Okay. To write any program, click terminal. Okay. So check where you are now. Say you have to go to desktop, create a file directory for you, ns2 program, enter. Okay. So you will have one, just 1 minute, ns2 program. So you have folder ns2 program. Okay. Now in the terminal, use vi. Say experiment 1 is about node creation. So write vi file name dot tcl. Enter. Okay. Here press I and whatever code you require, you write that. Okay. Here you have to write all the codes. Okay. Like here, you have to write this line by line codes to have view of this output. Okay. Let me show you. Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. I need to access internet in Linux. Okay. I think I am consuming time of you. I'm trying to access internet in Linux, but it will take time. Uh, Let me type for you. It will be time saving. Dipanjoy, can you hear me? If you can, please come with a pen
Yes, sir.
drive. Dipanjoy,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
come with a pen drive.
Okay, sir.
নেটটা এসে ওই আবার সফটওয়্যার ইনস্টল করতে লাগবে টাইম লাগবে কোনখানে যেন ছিল ওটা স্ক্রিন বলে দিলে audience, what I'm trying to do is that I have some contents in my Windows, like I have these codes available. So I'm trying to copy this code in Linux. So maybe sometime you will face the same problem. So I have copied the content in pen drive, and I'm trying to mount it in Linux. Logitech, no? This is mouse भी लगा लगा तो ये mouse है mouse भी लगा लगा yes and the guys know okay now just 1 minute. I see. And that's इसमें तो पाकिस्तान aturan नहीं ना हमारे ड्राइवर से देखो तो yes ये थक कर आज भी पेंडर पाओ आइना दीवार के हेलो सर इधर हाँ एक पूरी इवेंट प्लान পরে দিব সব শেষ করে Okay, ঠিক হতেছে না। Yes. Lagi রাখবেন, হ্যাঁ? So, audience, sorry for taking so much time to set up my environment. So, let's start from the scratch. Okay. Whatever I have shown up to this videos can be. Jyotirmoy sir, are you there? Okay, audience, let's start from the beginning. Whatever I have explained till installation, keep that in mind. And now, if we have say some program to write, you have to open terminal. Okay, go to create a folder mkdir ns2 program. Okay, go inside ns2 program, write vi, say experiment 1 is about node creation, give extension TCL, enter. Okay, here you will type your code, press I, okay, and then start typing your code. Okay, so for the time being, I am taking my old code. Okay, say here you will write this code. Okay, so after writing the code, press escape colon WQO, write in quit. See, you have a program experiment 1 node.tcl. To run this program, press ns experiment 1.tcl and you will get a output like this. Okay, where you can do some kind of changes like it is a sender, it is a receiver. Okay, students who are online, can you see the screen? Give me some feedback.
Yes, sir.
Now your aim is to create a sender 0 and a receiver 1. So I will explain you how to write the code for this. Okay. So how to do this? Terminal, go to your folder. Okay. So this is your program, and after executing the program, these are the two output. So let's explain this experiment 1.tcl. Okay. C. Like in C programming, you have to write set ns new stabilizer. What it will do? It will create a variable ns and it will inherit all the uh, defined functions and parameters from simulator. It's like in C programming, you have to use na int a equal to 10. Okay, in C programming, you used to type int a equal to 10. So here is like ns is like a variable. Okay, and in that variable you are giving a value new simulator, and simulator is a kind of header file. Okay, first line is set ns within third bracket new simulator, and second line is set tf open file name.tr. It's like opening a file node experiment one. Okay, it's like creating a file with tr. In this format, tf is a variable within third bracket. There is a command open. It will open a file name node experiment number one. Okay, this you can change for our student to recognize students output. We are using like node is a experiment number one, and name like alert, and roll number is like for my student it is like something in numerical from something dot tr. Okay, and next command is to use this ns. Okay, and inside from this it will get a command trace all, means it will trace everything inside the software and put this in the file tf. So these two together will create a file. Let me show you. Okay, this will create file tr. Okay, and next line is set nf open node e1 name role dot num in write mode, and it will create another file for you with num extension. And next line is $ns num trace all, and it will create graphical output in the file num file. Okay, create a file with extension .num file. It's the output of the software. One is textual output, another is graphical output. Okay, up to this common for all program. Next, set n0 within bracket ns node. It will create first node. Okay, and set n1, it will create second node. Okay, and if you want to give color, say node 0 with red color, node 1 with green color, you can give this color to the circle. And if you want to give label to the nodes, it's like sender and receiver. If you write $n0 label within double quote sender and receiver. Okay, and next is create a link between them, like $ns duplex link between node 0 and 1 with speed 2 MB and time 10 millisecond and queue management drop tail. It will create a link between them. I'm trying to say that whenever you will have some output, like in this case, let me show you again. Whenever you will have so you can compare this whenever you will have any code like sender and receiver. So you have to write everything in the code. Create a node 0, create a node 1, then color node 0, color node 1, level of 0 sender, level of receiver, and a link between them. So for that we have written many things in the code. Okay. So up to this, I hope it is clear to you. These codes are written to create two nodes and give them some color and label and create a link between them. After writing all this code, you get to write $ns at 4.0 or you can give any time. Okay, it's like at what time the software will close. You can give 5 also, you can give 10 also. It's like time to call a function finish. Okay, finish is a function that is required to in that code. So finish is a procedure. Finish with opening and closing third bracket, gap, bracket opening, bracket close. Inside that you have to write some more codes. What you have to write? Like global ns tf nf. Where you have used this? This you have used at the beginning here. ns tf nf. Okay, these are some variables. Those are global to the software or in the code. Okay, after using this, write $ns flash trace. It will remove all the temporary memory. Okay, close the file tf, close the file nf, and then execute your num file and execute your trace file and exit from the software. After writing all the code for finish, the last line will be with $ns run. Okay. So after writing everything, press escape colon WQ and come out of the your code. And now type ns experiment 1, enter. Then you can see your output play. Go to edit, you can reshape them. Up to this clear? Audience response?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll request to student that I don't know how much you are interested, but I will suggest you that see, don't take it like एक lecture चल रहा है, सुन लेंगे, छोड़ो इसको. So your HOD has taken a pain for you to organize this lecture. I am also taking pain to make you understand. Uh, if you are still confused, you can ask me. It's like all the codes are what? It's like creating a network environment. In this example, I have shown you how to create two nodes with one link. But this is only starting of the experiment. In this experiment, there is nothing like transfer of data. But today I will show you how data transmission will take place also. Okay. Okay. Similarly, let me show you some sample to you. Like you got bus topology, how to design. Bus topology looks like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, how to create that? For that, you need to just 1 minute. Inside in the node, you have to create more set node. Okay, like let me show you practically. Go to terminal again, cd ns2 program ls. You have one experiment with this. Okay, copy the experiment 1 to experiment number 2, say bus topology dot tcl. vi experiment 2. So you have the old code. Set n2 dollar ns node. Set n3 dollar ns node. Then create dollar, same line. You can copy back also. Copy, paste, paste. 2 more line. So one link is between 0 and 1, another link is between 1 and 2, another link is between 2 and 3. Write and quit. Compile your experiment 2. So you can see if play. Can you see this, audience?
Yes, sir.
See, this is an example of bus topology where you can say that 0, 1, 2, 3 are 4 nodes. How I have done this? थोड़ा देर पहले जो सीखा था उसका साथ दो और लाइन ऐड कर दिया बस, और कुछ नहीं. ठीक है. So let's clear. So you have experiment 1 for node, 2 nodes, 1 for bus topology. Now we can create ring also. How to do that? Or maybe mesh also, star also. CP experiment 2 bus, experiment 3 say ring डॉट TCL. तो उससे क्या होगा कि आपका इसका जो कोड है ना वो आपका एक्सपेरिमेंट 3 पे आ जाएगा. ओके, VI experiment 3. So I am trying to make it ring. So for ring, let's only use one more line where I will connect node 1 with 0. Write and quit. NS experiment 3 ring TCL. Something wrong maybe I have done. Let me cross check it. Zero, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3. Oh, the mistake here. It will be like 320. 320. NS experiment 3 ring So play, edit. Now you can change them. Can you say this ring topology with 4 nodes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Diprajit Majumdar, Keshav, Vishal Devarma, any response? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is some experiment you can continue with writing like let me show you more demo uh, like bus topology I have shown you. Then you can create a mesh topology like this, then ring topology like this. Okay, so let me show you how to transfer data from 0 to 1. Okay, so this experiment is type 2 experiment. If you will see my website, there it's like write a TCL script that simulates a wired network topology with 2 nodes and create duplex link between them. Set up a TCP connection between node and run FTP application over them. Okay. So this output looks like this. Okay. Whenever you will run, this will take place. So let me show you the demo first. CD. Let me go to desktop and my codes. Say you have this one sender and receiver. Make it slow. Okay, let's start from the beginning. Play. I'm increasing the time here. So you will see data transmitted from sender, okay, to receiver. These are two-way. The big blue color are data, small blue color are your feedback, ACK. Okay, you can increase the speed also, or you can make it slow also. Okay, this is animated output of data transmission between two computer or devices. Okay, but I can go to folder also. Single TCP, you will get two type of output. One is BI single TCP dot num dot here. See, when we will run the software, you will have two type of output. One is graphical, looks like this good transmission. Others will look like this textual data, like transmission plus minus R 0.201 TCP. It's like logbook. Okay, so student have to generate this data and they have to analyze this data कि 0 और 1 के बीच में कौन सा ट्रांसमिशन चल रहा था. Okay, now within this short time let me explain this code to you जितना हो पाएगा. See, first 5 lines are same as earlier. This blue color for data transmission, NS color 1 blue. If you use red, it will be like transmission will be red. Let me show you one demo here. Let's give it red. What will it change? Only transmission between them will be color will be red. Nothing else. Can you see the change? Nothing, only the color. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Come back to the code. I have used only one more line here to show the color of the data transmission. Rest are as old code. Up to this, everything is old. Okay, just थोड़ी देर पहले जो कोड दिखाया था सेम है नोट टोपोलॉजी का. नया कोड क्या है यहाँ पे? अभी हम लोगों को only you have to understand this paragraph. This writing this line creates transmission between node N0 and N1. What we have to write? These are in you can say step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and step 5. Step 1, you have to create sender. Okay. Step 2, receiver. Step 3, connect them. Step 4, generate application. Step 5, start application. In step 1, first line is set TCP1 within bracket new agent oblique TCP. ये सब कुछ आपका ट्यूटोरियल पे है, जो पीडीएफ फाइल डाउनलोड करेगा ना उसमें है आपका. So you have to create a new agent which type is TCP. Okay, and you have to store this value in TCP1. And now in the TCP1 you are using class 1 to say TCP is type class 1. And this TCP1 will use color flow ID 1. जो आपने पहले कलर यूज किया था वो 1 यहाँ पे मेंशन होगा. कहाँ पे 1 यूज किया था? Color 1 red. This will be used as TCP FID 1. Then next will be attach agent. जो आपने अभी क्रिएट किया था TCP वो N0 के साथ अटैच होगा. ठीक है, तो ये सेंडर का काम खत्म हो गया. रिसीवर sync 1. Sync will always receive. So it will be like new agent of type TCP sync. Okay. So after defining the sync, you are attaching the sync with N1. Okay. So reception will take place at node 1. Next line, connect 1 TCP sender. Who is the sender here? TCP1 is the sender and sync 1 is the receiver. So it will connect TCP1 and sync 1. Okay. So 3 steps are over. Next step is set FTP. Okay. So FTP is the applications. In bracket you have to write new application oblique FTP. Okay. So $FTP attach agent TCP. So after defining the FTP application, you are attaching it with TCP1. Then application is over. And then at the end, at 0.2, start the application. You have defined FTP1, so start it at 0.2 time. And rest of the codes are as earlier. I hope it is clear to you.
Yes, sir.
See, so whatever codes I have make you explain. See, I think you know OSI layer concept. OSI layer says that there are how many layers? How many layers? Who is the layer?
Actually, sir, they have not gone through this networking classes yet.
Okay.
They are
Other.
having these networking classes in their next semesters.
So why they
So,
are trying to learn practical now?
actually, sir, this is because of some science model they are going to exhibit in our college fest. So that's why we have suggested them to learn this NS2 to demonstrate like network connectivity and data transfer and all these things.
Okay. Okay. Let me just keep an overview. Students, सीखने का टाइम तो पहले कभी पीछे भी हो सकता है. इन गूगल यू टाइप ओएसआई मॉडल. ओके. नेक्स्ट सेमेस्टर के लिए वेट मत करो. लेट्स शो यू सम. Go to Google. I will close lecture soon. Don't worry. OSI model. This is the base of your networking. Okay. Everything comes under 7 layer of the OSI model. नेटवर्क बोले तो सिर्फ 7 लेयर का काम होता है. फिजिकल, डाटा लिंक, नेटवर्क, ट्रांसपोर्ट, सेशन, प्रेजेंटेशन, एप्लीकेशन. तो आपको प्रैक्टिकल तब तक समझ में नहीं आएगा जब तक थ्योरी समझ में नहीं आता. मतलब हम लोग जो अभी कोड एक्सप्लेन कर रहे थे ना, वो कोड ये 7 लेयर का काम ही करते हैं हम लोग. जैसे आपने फिजिकल लेयर पे नोड को बनाया, जैसे क्रिएट नोड. डाटा लिंक लेयर पे आपने लिंक बनाया. नेटवर्क लेयर पे आपको राउटिंग करना होता है. ट्रांसपोर्ट लेयर पे आपको लेट मी कंपेयर एंड ब्रीफली से टू यू. जस्ट आपका कोड, जस्ट 1 मिनट. Keep this OSI model with you, and I require a sample code. आज का जो लेक्चर है ये कोड आप लोग ट्राई कर रहे हो समझने के लिए. ओके. बट दिस कोड लिंक्स विथ थ्योरी. थ्योरी कम्स विथ 7 लेयर कॉन्सेप्ट. जो भी आपको सर पढ़ाएंगे बाद में वो 7 लेयर का कॉन्सेप्ट होगा. ठीक है. अभी 7 लेयर पे फिजिकल लेयर का काम होता है नोड को क्रिएट करना, और लिंक क्रिएट करना काम होता है डाटा लिंक लेयर पे. और ये जो टीसीपी का मैंने कोड ये समझाया, एफटीपी का जो भी समझाया, ये आता है आपका ट्रांसपोर्ट लेयर पे. टीसीपी आपका ट्रांसपोर्ट लेयर पे आता है. एप्लीकेशंस का टॉप जो लेयर है उसमें आता है. ठीक है. तो पूरा कोड लिखने के बाद ही आपका डेमो आप देख पाओगे. ठीक है. डेमो जो मैंने अभी दिखाया था कि आपका ट्रांसमिशन क्रिएट करवाने के लिए आपको पूरा कोड लिखने के बाद आप जब रन करोगे तो आपको TCL पूरा, सॉरी कुछ गलत हुआ है, NS सिंगल TCP डॉट TCL रन करने के लिए रन किया तो ये डेमो हम लोग देख पाए. ठीक है. तो क्विकली आई विल समराइज द कंटेंट. तो यहाँ पे आप लोग क्या देख पा रहे हो कि सेंडर और रिसीवर के बीच में ट्रांसमिशन चल रहा है. ठीक है. क्लोज. लेट मी शो यू अनदर डेमो. NS ज्यादा टेंशन नहीं देंगे आपको, जस्ट डेमो देके छोड़ देंगे. Like if you want to create real environment, like this is a figure which give a impression of creating 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 nodes, where some of them are sender, some of them are receiver, some of them are gateway. This is a real kind of experiment which shows that multiple data transaction can take place. To create such code, you have to use the code that I have explained just now. Okay. So, sir, up to which level I should give demo to them? I have shown them single TCP. More kind of experiment I have, whether they require that or not. Like this demo, where this demo says two types of codes. This is another experiment. In networking, transmission can take place with TCP. Transmission take place with UDP. In UDP, you will not get some feedback. Okay, and codes will be different. Student, observe here that transmission taking place from sender to receiver only. There is no feedback from receiver to sender. This type of experiment is known as data transmission using UDP. Okay. Earlier code, whatever I have shown you, that is data transmission using TCP. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. डोंट टेक टेंशन कि अरे ये सब क्या पढ़ा रहा है, बाउंस कर रहा है दिमाग से, ऐसा मत सोचो. सिंपल सोचो कि सर ने दिखाया हाउ टू क्रिएट नोड्स, हाउ टू क्रिएट लिंक, और वो वाला सीख के आप टोपोलॉजी बना सकते हो. अभी टोपोलॉजी में ट्रांसमिशन कैसे करेंगे? टीसीपी से कर सकते हैं या फिर यूडीपी से कर सकते हैं. टीसीपी से करेंगे तो डाटा ट्रांसमिशन का एसीके मिलेगा, अगर यूडीपी से करेंगे तो एसीके नहीं मिलेगा. दोनों का अलग अलग कोड होता है. तो यूडीपी का कोड जो है हम लोग अभी दिखाएंगे आपको. VI सिंगल यूडीपी .tcl. इस कोड में पुराना कोड जैसा सेम सब रहेगा, बट थोड़ा सा चेंजेस रहेगा. जो कोड मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले समझाया था, टीसीपी का और यूडीपी का कोड में थोड़ा थोड़ा चेंजेस होता है. ठीक है, उसमें हम लोग टीसीपी लिखते हैं, यहाँ पे यूडीपी लिखते हैं, ये एक चेंज है. और उधर पे सिंक लिखते हैं, यहाँ पे नाल लिखते हैं. उधर पे एफटीपी लिखते हैं, यहाँ पे सीबीआर लिखते हैं. ठीक है, ये तीन जगह पे चेंजेस है, बाकी सेम है फॉर्मेट कि आप यूडीपी कनेक्शन सेंडर बनाओगे और यूडीपी रिसीवर बनाओगे, उसमें कनेक्शन देंगे और एप्लीकेशन डिफाइन करके आप ट्रांसमिशन शुरू करेंगे. सो फॉर्मेट इज सेम, बट टीसीपी और यूडीपी का कोड थोड़ा अलग है. ठीक है, तो अगर आपको एक ट्रांसमिशन सीख लिए ना टीसीपी का और एक यूडीपी का सीख लिए, तो आप मल्टीपल का भी कर सकते हैं. जैसे ऐसा टाइप का टोपोलॉजी बना सकते हैं जहां पे आपका डाटा ट्रांसमिशन बहुत सारा कलर का दिख रहा है. तो जैसे रेड कलर का TCP1, येलो कलर का TCP2, पिंक कलर का TCP3, ऐसा हो सकता है आपका. ओके, और फिर कनेक्शन भी दो टाइप का कर सकते हैं, TCP और UDP. ओके, so let's close up to this, otherwise student may get confused. Like this experiment shows that only transmission taking place using UDP. Okay, तो एक्सपेरिमेंट बहुत सारा हो सकता है कि सिर्फ दो नोड का ट्रांसमिशन, उसमें टीसीपी कर सकते हो, यूडीपी कर सकते हो. मल्टीपल नोड्स का ट्रांसमिशन, ठीक है, आपका जो मेरा वेब पेज है उसमें आपको मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ ना उसका सामरी मिलेगा आपको। सी, पहले आपको नोट क्रिएशन सिखाएंगे, फिर डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ टोपोलॉजी जैसे बाश, रिंग, स्टार, फिर सिखाएंगे सिंगल टीसीपी। ठीक है, फिर उससे ही कॉपी करके बनाएंगे मल्टीपल टीसीपी, फिर सिंगल यूडीपी का एक्सपेरिमेंट सिखाएंगे, फिर मल्टीपल यूडीपी एक्सपेरिमेंट, फिर दोनों का जो सीखे आपने सिंगल टीसीपी का और मल्टीपल सब मिला के हाइब्रिड टीसीपी। सो आज का क्लास जिसको समझ में आया होगा वो ये 7 एक्सपेरिमेंट अकेला कर सकता है। ओके, 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 let's close here with 7 experiment. Summary is that the student may try this experiment, this 7, how to write these 7 experiment. They have the knowledge now. I have not explained other Ox script. This may be, if required in future, you can have another lecture. So Jyotirmoy sir, up to you.
Thank you, Alok sir, for having this wonderful session. And I know you have been my teacher also. We have done these same classes in your class also. And actually, I still remember when you were displaying like some simulation and some codes. I could recall all those things actually. And we know we have spent one entire whole semester on this subject only. And thank you, sir, for giving this precious time to our students. Actually, they are not having this networking class now, but everywhere we are having one college fest. So all the science departments are going to showcase some science model.
Okay.
So yeah, and I have realized that this NS2 code is not that much tough. If students go through like 2 or 3 classes and some explanation, it will be very easy for them to like write code on their own only. So they can easily demonstrate actually how network nodes and data transfer everything works. So that's why I just requested you to have this session. And sir, I will request you to kindly make these contents available in your website also, because I
Okay.
also actually checked your website earlier and found that some of the links were
They
not
are not
working.
working. I'll rectify this code. Maybe due to Google Drive sync
Exactly,
problem,
exactly. Yeah, yeah.
it's removed. Okay. So
Hmm.
one addition I will do for students. You have one PDF file. Okay, that manual. Go to page number 14. From that experiment number page 14, this is the summary code. Mane, I want to say that as Sal said now, this is not so hard. Yes, it is not so hard. Starting from this line, if you can just page number 14 and 15. Okay, 13, 14, 15. This is the summary code for 7 experiment. Teaching जिसने मैंने ये 2 पेज का कोड सीख लिया ना वो 7 एक्सपेरिमेंट कर सकता है वो। एवरीथिंग इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम पेज नंबर 14। इसमें आपका यूडीपी का भी है और टीसीपी का भी है एक साथ। ठीक है, समरी। ओके, ओवर टू ज्योतिर्मय सर।
Uh, Yes, sir. So I would request all of my students also to visit Olokser's website, that is olokroy.in. You can visit this website and you will find so many lecture materials, also YouTube videos also on different topics. Uh, and obviously, we will conduct some more special sessions. Maybe if sir could manage some time and he could take the pain to visit our college campus to deliver his lecture, it will be grateful to you, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving your precious time to us, and I hope this will help our student to lot of extent. Thank you, sir. So we will wrap up here only.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Have a good day, sir. Bye bye. Bye bye,
Bye.
students. Have
Thank
a
you,
good day.
sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.